So they do have quite a selection of lanterns here, and I always go for the Coleman lanterns. Got 400 lumen and 800 lumen. But what I'm gonna go for, because the 800 lumen, though it is battery operated, it's $24.98, I'm gonna go for the propane lantern. 1,000 lumens, and this thing will light up the campsite. You'll be able to see what's going on in the woods around you and everything. We already have one of these, so hooking up 2 of these things tonight will give us a lot of light. It's pitch black up here in this campsite. All we can hear is this one bird, a few sounds out in the woods, probably natural sounds of things falling from the tree, nothing in a footstep pattern. But we're gonna go ahead and unbox this lantern. This is the Coleman QUICKPACK lantern. There we go. You got to push in a little bit because it's got that lip on there. Okay, but it comes all boxed up here. I like how they have the foam on the side because I've had a lantern like this before that got broken from being jostled around. But it looks like we're going to have to take this out. And this is also how you would replace these bulbs in here. You just unscrew this at the top. I'm hoping I can just kind of, I guess I have to take it all the way off. So we removed all the styrofoam that was in there. Now we should simply just be able to screw this onto the bottom. And this is a quick start lantern, which is cool because the other one I have, I believe, you have to put a match up inside of there. This one, if I'm not mistaken, I should be able to turn it on. Push this button here. And there, it should light. And it'll have some fire coming out the top, which isn't normal. I want to make sure that doesn't happen, but we want to get the bulbs lit. They'll burn up a little bit when you first turn it on. And then we should be able to get this thing to give us a good bit of light. Like so. Whoops. This way, it's brighter. So kind of illuminates the campsite pretty nice. And I have another one that I'm going to put over here down the trail a little bit to give us that extra bit of perimeter lighting so we can see if anything's approaching.